Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to make look-alike N95 face mask at home. Now we have shortage for face mask, so we can do face mask at home. This mask is made up of fabric cloth which is comfortable and you can wear it whole day, and it is washable as well. Now take any ceramic plate or any plate of your choice which is 25 cm to 28 cm long. Use the plate as measurement and cut the cloth with the help of the plate as shown. Dimension for this face mask for adult would be 10 to 11 inches, which is 25 to 28 cm, and for teen it is 9 inches, which is 23 cm, and for child it is 8 inches, which is 20 centimeters. Now first double fold the fabric cloth as shown and fold it again so that we get 4 parts of the cloth. Now cut the cloth so that we have 4 pieces of cloth to make a face mask. Now take 2 pieces of fabric cloth and sew them as shown in the video. Sew the side of the cloth which looks like a semicircle. After sewing, tilt them towards and overlap the fabric cloth as shown. Now stitch all the corners except for one of the corner. Make sure one of the corner is kept open to pull the inside cloth outwards so that we won't see the stitches when we wear the mask. Now the last step is to make the ropes to tie the face mask over your head. Now stitch the corner as shown to insert a rope in between the stitches. You can take any piece of cloth as shown to use it as a rope. This rope is more comfortable than the elastic band which will give pressure to our ears when we wear. This rope is adjustable and comfortable as well. Now N95 face mask is ready. Stay safe and make face mask at home. Subscribe to my channel as well. Happy day to you all. Bye bye. Take care.